Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise number 2.7 of chapter 2 fractions and decimal. So, student, as you are seeing on the board, first question is already written on the board, and this exercise is totally belongs to the division of the decimal number by whole number and whole number by the decimal number by 10 type number, means you can say 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. In this way, student, we can say that this exercise is totally belongs on division of the decimal number. So student, before starting the exercise, we want to clear your concept on two basic points. That is, first and second. First is, how can we convert a decimal number इन फ्रैक्शन? किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन में हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? सबसे पहले हम ये सीखेंगे, हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट अ डेसिमल नंबर इन फ्रैक्शन. आफ्टर दिस वी लर्न हाउ कैन वी डिवाइड अ डेसिमल नंबर बाय 10 टाइप नंबर. किसी डेसिमल नंबर को अगर 10 टाइप नंबर मींस 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख, 10 लाख, करोड़ से डिवाइड करना हुआ तो हम कैसे करेंगे? And what will be my question when we divide by 10, 100, 1000, etc. So students, suppose that I am taking a decimal number 0.25. This is a decimal number, student. So if we ask you change it into fraction, then how can we change? Student, very easy. For this work, firstly we write the same decimal number which is given in the question. After this, we draw a division bar below the decimal number. Division bar, this is division bar. We draw a division bar below the given decimal number. After this, student, we cancelled the decimal point like this. मैंने इसको कैंसिल कर दिया डेसिमल पॉइंट को, एंड ऑन द एक्सचेंज ऑफ डेसिमल पॉइंट वी राइट 1 बिलो द डिवीजन बार. डिवीजन बार के नीचे इस डेसिमल पॉइंट के बदले में मैं क्या राइट करूंगा? 1. आफ्टर दिस स्टूडेंट, वी काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स विच कम्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट आए हुए हैं? वी काउंट 1 and 2. सो स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर 1 राइट साइड वी इंक्रीज टू 0. वी इंक्रीज टू 0 बिकॉज आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट देयर आर 2 डिजिट, सो वी इंक्रीज टू 0. नाउ स्टूडेंट, वी गेट द फ्रैक्शन 25/100. Now student, you are seeing that my decimal number has converted in fraction. Now if you want to make the simplest form of this fraction, then you, because both number are coming in the table of 25, so we can cancel by 25. 25 1 ja 25 and 25 4 ja 24. 1/4 means you can write on the place of 0.25 1/4. डेसिमल नंबर 0.25 के प्लेस पर आप 1/4 राइट कर सकते हैं. इन दिस वे स्टूडेंट, इन एनी डेसिमल नंबर इफ गिवन टू यू, देन यू कैन कन्वर्ट इन द फ्रैक्शन. किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को आप फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. आई होप स्टूडेंट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक is that how can we divide a decimal number by 10 type number? Like same example I am taking here, 0.25 divided by, suppose that 10,000. 10 type number, and this rule you will apply only for 10 type number, 10, 100,000, etc., not with other number. So student, how can we divide it? You are saying that denominator is 10,000 and 10,000 has the 40, and now your decimal point will move to the left side. अगर 10 टाइप नंबर से डिवाइड करना है तो डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव कहां करेगा? लेफ्ट साइड में. इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स? इक्वल टू द 0. As many 0 are in the denominator, your decimal point will move to the left side equal to the 0. So there are 4 0, so decimal point will move to the left equal to 4 digit. After 4 digit we use the decimal point. So 1 digit is given already, 3 digits are less, so we increase 3 0 student. So we get 0.000, and this 1 0 is already present, and my decimal point is used after 4 digit from right to left. Sorry student, and 25. This is not decimal. This is my answer. 0.25 को मैंने 10,000 से डिवाइड कर दिया, एंड वी गेट आंसर 0.00025. डेसिमल पॉइंट राइट टू लेफ्ट मूव करेगा, और कितने डिजिट मूव करेगा? इक्वल टू द 0 विच कम्स इन द डिनोमिनेटर, एंड इन डिनोमिनेटर देयर आर 4 0, सो डेसिमल पॉइंट विल मूव टू द लेफ्ट इक्वल टू 4 डिजिट. 4 डिजिट के बराबर मूव करेगा. सो माय आंसर विल बी दिस. So student, these two concepts we want to tell you, and I hope you have understood this concept. Now these two concepts we use in this question student. Means student, you are seeing that first part, first number is decimal number and second is whole number. Means you can say we required to divide the decimal number by the whole number. डेसिमल नंबर को होल नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, इफ यू रिक्वायर टू डिवाइड द होल नंबर, डेसिमल नंबर बाय द होल नंबर, फर्स्टली वी मेक द डेसिमल नंबर इन फ्रैक्शन. इन फ्रैक्शन डेसिमल नंबर को पहले हम फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, लाइक दिस. सो स्टूडेंट, वी आर सॉल्विंग हियर. We have 0.4 divided by 2. So student, firstly we convert this decimal number in fraction. So 4/10. How? अगर आप देखिए यहां पर मैं डिवीजन बार ड्रॉ करूं, इसको कैंसिल करूं और इसके एक्सचेंज में 1 राइट करूं, और इसके बाद कितने डिजिट हैं? 1, तो 1 0 मीन्स इसको आप कैंसिल कर चुके हैं, दैट इज 4/10. आप देखिए 4/10. सो स्टूडेंट, लाइक दिस वी चेंज द डेसिमल नंबर इन फ्रैक्शन and divided by. Now student, you are seeing that first number is fraction, and we can make the whole number in form of fraction. We can write whole number in form of fraction. So student, we can write 2/1. By writing the denominator as 1, we can make any whole number, we can write in fraction form. So student, you are seeing that both are fraction. So how can we divide, student? How can we divide two fraction? You know very well. First fraction we write as same 4/10, and division sign will be changed in multiplication sign, and that fraction which comes after the division sign we write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta, means 2/1. This is 2/1. Reciprocal will be 1/2, ulta iska. Now student, how can we multiply of two fraction, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator? We get a student 4 1 ja 4, 10 2 ja 20, 10 2 ja 20. And if you write in simplest form, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 10 ja 20. Or you can directly cancel by 4. But if you are not cancelling by the 4, you will cancel first 2/10, and both number are coming in the table of 2. So we can cancel by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 1/5. And when you divide 1 by 5, we get 0.2. 0.2. This is my answer. This is my answer, student. I hope student you have understood this question very well. As same student, as same we will solve the part second, student. Part second, we have 0.35 divided by 5. Firstly, student, convert in fraction. So we can write 35/100 divided by 5/1. Now student, 5/1 फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हैं. Now 35/100 into 1/5. Now you can cancel 5 7 जा 35 and 7 1 जा मल्टीप्लाई करिए. मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? 7 1 जा 7 and 100 1 ja 100. Now student, you know this is the whole number, and all whole numbers has the decimal point at the last of its. अपने लास्ट में डेसिमल पॉइंट रखते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट शोइंग मैटर. ये दिखाया नहीं जाता है, बट दिस इज अंडर स्टूड मैटर. आप इसको समझ सकते हैं. डेसिमल पॉइंट यहां पर है. कोई भी होल नंबर हो, जैसे मैंने लिया 799. Where is decimal point? Here at the last of this number. So as same student, decimal point is used here, and you are dividing by 10 का एक number. अभी मैंने बताया आपको, this has 20, so decimal point will move to the left side, equal to 20, equal to 2 digit. So we have one digit already, so 1 digit is less, so we increase 10. So we get student 0.07. This is my answer. This is my answer. 0.07. Very easy student. You can do, I hope. And as same student, we solve the part number 3. Part 3, we have 2.48 divided by 4. So firstly, we convert the decimal number in fraction form. So 248/100. Why? Decimal point is used after 2 digits. After the decimal point, 2 digits are present, so we increase 20 means 100 divided by 4, we can write as 4 upon 1. Now 248 upon 100 into 1 upon 4 स्टूडेंट, 1 upon 4 रेसिप्रोकल. डिवीजन इसी तरीके से किया जाता है फ्रैक्शन का. डिवीजन साइन विल बी चेंज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, and that fraction which comes after the division sign we write the reciprocal 1 upon 4. Now cancel it student. 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8, we get 62 and multiply it. 62 1 are 62 student and 100 1 are 100. This is whole number and I have told you all whole number has the decimal point at last of its. उसके लास्ट में डेसिमल पॉइंट होता है एंड डिनोमिनेटर हैज 20, सो डेसिमल पॉइंट विल मूव 2 डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड, सो वी गेट स्टूडेंट 0.62. दिस इज माय आंसर. वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट, वेरी इजी. एज सेम स्टूडेंट वी सॉल्व द पार्ट नंबर 4. we have 65.4 divided by 6. So firstly we change this decimal number in fraction form. 654 upon 10 and divided by 6 upon 1. Now student 654 upon 10, division sign will change in multiplication and after fraction we write the reciprocal 1 upon 6 and you can cancel 654 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 0, 6 9s are 54. It's okay student. And now multiply student. 109 1s are 109 upon 10 1s are 10. This is whole number and this whole number has the decimal point here. This is the understood matter. Understood, not showing matter. And if you require to use the decimal point, you can write, you can show. Denominator has 10 type number and in denominator only 10 is present, so decimal point will move 1 digit left side. So decimal point we use between 0 and 9 means 10 upon 9. This is my answer. Very easy student. Means firstly we change the decimal number in fraction form and at last any way you require to make the denominator 10 type number. लास्ट में आपको 10 टाइप नंबर ही बनाना है डिनोमिनेटर और फिर आप इजिली डायरेक्टली आप आंसर राइट कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट एंड कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड स्टूडेंट. Question second, find. First is there are many part student. I am taking only some important part. 0.7 divided by 10. This is the part number third है student. Third, and I am taking the part fifth also. 272 0.23 divided by 10. That's all, student. Only two part I am taking. And this concept I have, which concept I will use here, that concept, about that concept I have discussed in previous question, means question number first. Question number first में मैं पहले ही आपको डिस्कस कर चुका हूं. So this is one liner question. In one line you can write your answer, student. We have 0.7 divided by 10. Otherwise you can write like this. Leave it, student. Now we get, student, this is decimal number and this is 10 type number. If we are dividing by 10 type number of any decimal number, then you know this 10 type number has 10, so decimal point will move to the left side because we are dividing. If we are multiplying, then my decimal point will move to the right side. But we are dividing by 10 type number, my decimal point will move to the left side. But this rule you will apply for only and only 10 type number. अगर यहां पर कोई दूसरा नंबर होता, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, any numbers, then you will not apply, you can't apply this rule. आप इस रूल को अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हो. मैं डायरेक्ट इसका आंसर राइट कर सकता हूं. 10 है, डेसिमल पॉइंट 1 डिजिट लेफ्ट मूव करेगा, मींस वी गेट, स्टूडेंट, 0.07. दिस इज माय आंसर. फिनिश इन वन लाइन. सेम, स्टूडेंट, फिफ्थ पार्ट, वी हैव 272.23 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. वेरी इजी. 1 पॉइंट लेफ्ट साइड मूव करेगा डेसिमल पॉइंट, सो वी गेट 27.223. This is my answer. Student, if you want to write the rule, then you can write rule here. If we divide a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, decimal point will move to the left side in quotient. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. Remaining part you will do yourself. So, come to the third question, student. Third question, we require to divide by 100. Decimal point will move to the left side, 2 digit, because denominator is, divisor is 10 type number and divisor has 20. 100. As same, student, question number 4, we require to divide by 1000 and 1000 has 30, so decimal point will move to the left side, equal to 30, equal to 3 digit. 3 digit के equal move करेगा. So student, 1, 2, 3 and 4 question you can do easily. So student, question number 5 and question number 6 I will discuss in my next video. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.